Good morning. Thank you for attending. My name is Paloma Heindorf. I'm the new Director of Defense Distributed and CEO of Ghostgun. I spent the last 3 years at DP working as Director of Development and VP of Operations. Cody Wilson tendered his resignation on Friday evening to focus on personal legal affairs. Defense Distributed Board of Directors accepted his resignation, and thus his role at the company has been concluded. I am extremely proud to say that over the past few days, the entire team at Defense Distributed has recommitted to enabling the sharing and publication of CAD and 3D printed files. This resilience, I truly believe, to not only be characteristic of our company as a whole, but also the ideas that we have worked so hard to promote. I'd like to take this opportunity to say that any questions concerning Cody Wilson and his personal legal affairs should be directed to his personal lawyer. I'll now open up to questions.
Was it Cody's decision, his own decision to resign, or was he going to be urging him to resign?
It was his own decision and we support him.
Will he have any role in the company going forward, or what is his role now?
Going forward, he does not have a role.